Welcome back. The issue of black marketing of midday meal quota is yet to reach its logical conclusion. Ponda police are still acquiring information from the Education Department and Civil Supplies Department. Till now, police have investigated 50-odd persons, including the self-help groups. DYSP Dinraj Govekar said that there might be involvement of some more people into black marketing.
It may be recalled that on 2nd November, Ponda police raided 2 godowns at Kurti, Ponda. Godown owner Sachin Naik, truck owner and the driver were arrested in the case. Truck and rice bags were seized. Not just that, owner of the godown had no license. It was reported that few self-help groups from Ponda were involved in the black marketing scam of the midday meal quota. Presently, the accused are free on bail. Police are trying to acquire the information from the Education and Civil Supplies Department, but there is no response from the departments. Police are now coordinating with the departments via official letters. DYSP Dinraj informed that the district collector has been intimated for further action.
We have certain information from the Civil Supplies Department, from the Education Department. We have summoned all those officers were connected.
तुम्ही सिव्हिल सप्लाय किती लेटर दिले तरी तुमका रिटर्न आयला कोर्टात
So partly information has been given, part some information is missing that we have asked for again. I have written them. Before 5 people have been recorded of different self-help groups.
Many questions arise in this case. Does the society has valid license or no? Civil Supplies Department has no information of this entity. How much rice was supplied by the civil supplies to the Borim Shiroda society? How much rice was supplied by the local people? The then PI Sagar Ekoskar, who exposed this black marketing, has been transferred. People claim that government was having knowledge of the black marketing that was going on. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Kalsa Bandura project has resumed in spite of Karnataka's statement in the Supreme Court that they won't go ahead with the work. Environmentalist Rajendra Kherkar alleged that Kalsa Bandura project is mainly commissioned for diverting the water for industries and multinational companies planning to set their units at Gadag. He also appealed the Goa government to oppose Karnataka government's plan of constructing a dam at Katla and Paina near Dudhsagar waterfall.
Kalsa Bandura project has resumed after a halt of 2 to 3 months and intervention of Madai Tribunal. Environmentalist Rajendra Kherkar has appealed the Goa government to immediately initiate stopping of the 80% completed Kalsa Bandura project at Kankumbi.
न्यायमूर्ती पांचाळ हांका कर्नाटक सरकारान आश्वासन दिल्ले की आमी जे आसा हे धरण प्रकल्पाचे जे काम आसा ते फुडें व्हरचे ना जो पर्यंत आदेश जो आसा ह्या संदर्भात म्हादय वॉटर डिस्प्यूट ट्रायब्युनल दिना तो मेरेन आमी हे काम फुडें व्हरचे ना पूण अजून मेरेन परती सुनावणी जी आसा ती पाणी लवादा कडेन जावंक ना पूण अशें आसतना कर्नाटकान हे जे काम आसा ते कणकुंबी हांगा सुरू केल्ले आसा ह्या कामाक लागून गोंयच्या अस्तित्वाचेर संकश्ट निर्माण जातले आनी गोंय सरकारान हाची दखल घेवन गोंयचे जे जलसंसाधन मंत्री आसा दयानंद मांद्रेकार आणि मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हाणें हो जो प्रश्न आसा हो प्रश्न गांभीर्यान घेवपाचो आणि तेका लागून ह्या उदकाचो जर पुरवठो गोंयांक कमी पडत जाल्यार अरबी सागराची जी खारसाण आसतली ती खारसाण वाडटली ज्या ज्या परिसराची खारसाण वाडलेली आसा थंय तरातरांच्यो साथी तरातरांचे रोग येयल्ले आसा तर गदग हांगासर नवीन कारखाने येवपाचे आसा आंतरराष्ट्रीय कारखाने तर ते मल्टीनॅशनल कंपनी येवपाचे आसा तर त्या मल्टीनॅशनल कंपनी खातीर कर्नाटक हे उदक वळोवन व्हरता.
Kherkar exposed another plan of Karnataka government. He said Karnataka's proposed dam project near Dudhsagar waterfall should be opposed tooth and nail.
आज आमी जो दूधसागर पळयता तर ह्या दूधसागराच्या लेगीत कर्नाटक सरकारान धरण प्रकल्प उबारपाचे ठरयल्लेले आसा काटला आनी पायणा हांगासर आनी 112 MCM उदक जे आसा हे खांडेपार न्हंय जी म्हणटा आमी जेका दूधसागरची न्हंय तर त्या न्हंयचे जे उदक आसा ते वळोवन व्हरपाचे ठरयल्लेले आसा आनी तेका लागून व्हडा प्रमाणान ह्या प्रकल्पाक आमी विरोध करतात.
Karnataka had assured the Supreme Court and Madai Tribunal that they wouldn't go ahead with the dam work till Tribunal takes final decision on the matter. This act of Karnataka is violating its own affidavit in the apex court. Uday Parab for Prudent Media.
Faithfuls of Five Pillar Church at Shioli and faithfuls of Pastor Dominic have demanded that the authorities to return the sound system seized by the police. Last year, some Catholic Brotherhood had complained of noise. The police had on complaint seized the sound system from the Shioli Church. They have served a memorandum to the state authorities and religious officers in Goa to look into the matter. Some people with strong faith in the Five Pillar Church at Shioli got together to address their grievances to the authorities in the state. They have demanded that the sound system should be written back as to have peaceful prayer service in the church.
हे तितको बरं निवळूंक ना आता ह्या फुडें वयतलो तेन्ना हांव सारको निवाळतलो तिजी तेन्ना हें तेका तेंच्यांनी प्रॉब्लम पळय केला तें मातशें तें सारकें करून हें करून सरकारान हें करून दिवपाचें आमकां आतां फुडें पळय लोक आहा तांकां भाशा आयकूंक फाटल्यान आयकूंक येना कितें सांगता तें तोंडान उलयलें म्हणटकूच तो मातसो मायकाक लागून आमी तें हें केल्लें आतां येयल्लें.
They also said that the prayer services are held 4 times a week and hearing impaired people cannot hear the prayers standing back in line.
तेका बंद केला तेजी सावंड सिस्टम आनी चर्चीन इगर्जेन कॅथलिकाचे तांकां सावंड सिस्टम दिला आनी हेची बंद केल्या आनी पुलिशेन येले तेजे सावंड येले तेन्ना थंय लोक हजारांनी सुमार येता 4 दिसांक आमी फकत सावंड सिस्टम आमकां दिवचो म्हणून आमी हांगा उलोवंक येयला आनी कॅथलीक लोकांक सांगलेले हिंदू धर्म आमकां हिंदूंक जेजू क्रिस्त पावला तेन्ना कॅथलिकांनी कांयच म्हाजेन शब्द करूंक ना.
Father Maverick Fernandez said that religious authorities and state officials would look into the matter.
They should also be allowed to use the sound for their services, and they have presented a memorandum that has been submitted to the various government departments and also has submitted to our office here. We will look into that.
Omkar Falari for Prudent. Goa State AIDS Control Society had organized World AIDS Day function at Ravindra Bhavan. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar claimed that government has been successful in curbing the AIDS menace in Goa. He also said that by 2015, department would like to see total wipeout of the diseases from the state. He also appealed the people of Goa to cooperate in eradication of AIDS.
In a couple of days, we will be inducting another 125 nurses. We could induct by now about 100 number of doctors in the health sector. And from the next academic year, we intend increasing the entry of 50 nurses for nursing college from 50 to 100. राज्यात nursing council नसले, ते आमी notify केला. Nursing council formulated जातले.
Getting to zero was the theme for World AIDS Day observed by Arushi at Panji on Sunday. According to the Public Health Foundation, that in Goa more cases were found in the coastal area. Keeping in mind the number of reduction in the cases of AIDS due to awareness, NGO Arushi along with other prominent local artists decided to aware the people through various programs.
Since 1987 up to October 2012, the HIV detected cases were 14,605. During this year till October 2012, 486 cases have been detected in all the government health institutions. Major are in the coastal talukas, that is Salset, Murgaon, Tiswadi and Bardes.
AIDS was considered as a giant in the past, but now it is in control, says El Shaddai founder Matthew Kurian.
In 2005, 2.3 million people died by HIV, but in 2011 census says it has come down to 1.7 million people.
On this occasion, oath was given by Rajdeep Naik. At the end, street play competition on AIDS awareness was played by various colleges and cultural groups. A reporter Mahesh Gadi and Samir Bhatt with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
News from sports of a short break. Stay tuned.